Production libraries. A crowded field of low-budget, low-res sounds. Many come and go. But this one is here to stay forever. From the sound labs of Omega Production, this is Noise 9. An imaging library. Jam-packed with easy-to-use beds and effects. Just drag and drop into your production and you're done. Starters. Explosions. Shorties. Drones. Beds. Everything you need for smoking hot imaging and branding at a super low buyout price. Noise 9. Buy it today. Before your competition does. Noise 9. Copyright Omega Productions. All rights reserved.